Welcome, beloved ones. In this practice, we'll be working with the vital energy that already lives within you. There is energy in you, and you have to know how to channel it. When directed consciously, it becomes the source of vitality, clarity, and emotional balance. One of the ways we maintain health and nerve harmony is by understanding the potency of our seminal fluids, the essence of vitality. These fluids contain a high concentration of minerals and elements that are crucial for proper nerve balance and brain function. In yogic science, this refined life essence is known as ojas, the subtle energy of rejuvenation, radiance, and healing. This Kundalini Kriya stimulates that generative energy, transmuting it into ojas, a healing force that restores the nervous system, strengthens the mind, and awakens the spirit. I like to call this sequence the Prozac Set because it naturally uplifts mood, balances hormones, and reconnects you to your innate state of joy and calm. The practice includes just 3 movements, each chosen to awaken and balance the flow of your vital energy. The first one are frog squats, which are performed 26 times, which interestingly enough is the frequency of balance and harmony and represents the middle path and maintaining your center. This movement stimulates the energy flow of the first and second chakras, supporting grounding, creativity, and vitality. It helps you feel rooted, alive, and emotionally uplifted. The second movement is forward bends, also performed 26 times. Activates the parasympathetic nervous system to calm the body and the mind. These movements link the root and crown chakras, harmonizing energy between earth and sky, grounding and spirit. They help cultivate emotional balance, surrender, and inner peace. And the final movement is Sat Kriya, which is the gem of Kundalini Yoga Kriyas and the heart of the set. It strengthens and balances overall sexual health and fundamentally activates the Kundalini energy. This practice clears deep-seated tension and trauma from the body, fostering emotional stability, clarity, and a deep sense of calm. Altogether, these movements refine your sexual energy into spiritual power, transmuting raw vitality into ojas, the radiant light of balance and joy. So as you begin, stay present with your breath. Move consciously and allow this Kriya to awaken the creative, healing current that already lives within you. It's recommended to repeat this sequence 3 times. Following the completion of however many times that you have done this, once, twice, or even 3, take a deep breath and feel the stillness that follows the movements. This is the essence of the practice. Energy refined into peace, vitality, transmuted into radiance. The Kundalini has been stirred, it's balanced, and guided upward, awakening your ojas, your inner light of healing and creative power. So allow yourself a few quiet moments to rest and absorb the effects. Notice the clarity, the steadiness, the calm pulse of aliveness flowing through you. And if this practice resonates with you, I invite you to explore it regularly. Even a few minutes a day can strengthen your nervous system, uplift your mood, and deepen your connection to your true vitality. You can also join me for live classes, workshops, and guided journeys into Kundalini and sound healing here in Las Vegas or online. Links are below. Thank you for sharing this sacred practice with me. May you walk in balance, creativity, and courage, grounded in your body, open in your heart, and radiant in your spirit. Sat Nam.